Are you looking for the best fertilizer spreader? In this video, we will show 6 Bst Fertilizer Spreader. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 6. Scott's Whirl Hand-Powered Spreader for grass seed, lawn fertilizers, salt, and ice melt. Handheld spreader holds up to 1,500 square feet of product. Brand, Scott's. Color, green. Material, metal, plastic. Special feature, adjustable arm support, smooth, even coverage. Operation, adjustable arm support on the seed, salt, and fertilizer spreader helps provide maximum comfort. Handheld spreader, perfect handheld fertilizer, salt, and seed spreader for small yards. Capacity, a seed, fertilizer, and salt spreader that holds up to 1,500 square feet of Scott's lawn products for year-round lawn care. Usage, these hand spreaders for lawns are great for year-round use to seed, fertilize, salt, and ice melt. Coverage, these salt, fertilizer, and seed spreaders for lawns are engineered for smooth, even coverage.
Number 5. WORKPROX Battery-Powered Fertilizer Spreader, 7.2-volt seed spreader for salt, de-icer, earth food, rechargeable grass seed spreader with 8-level settings and holds up to 6,458 square feet of product. Available at a lower price from other sellers that may not offer free prime shipping. Note, clogging may occur if seeds get stuck under the dispersion wheel. Do not forcefully move the throw width adjustment lever. Instead, use a tool to remove the stuck seeds or fertilizer. Then, set the speed and seeding angle to the maximum to ensure smooth operation. A charging adapter of 30 watt or higher is recommended. Perfect for all your lawn seeding needs. Efficient and powerful fertilizer and seed spreader. This versatile fertilizer spreader and seed spreader covers up to 3,767.36 square feet for fertilizers and 6,458.34 square feet for grass seed. Perfect for lawn care. It efficiently handles both grass seed spreading and fertilizer spreading.
Number 4. EarthWay 2050P 80-pound broadcast spreader. Aerator, fertilizer spreader, 80-pound capacity, pre-assembled, with rust-proof poly hopper and adjustable drop rate for lawn care and seed spreading. Brand, EarthWay. Item weight, 14 pounds. Item form, granules. Liquid volume, 36.3 liters. Robust capacity. The EarthWay 2050P seed spreader boasts an 80-ton capacity, making it ideal for extensive lawn care tasks. Perfect for homeowners and professionals seeking a grass seed spreader for large areas. Advanced control. Equipped with side spread control, this spreader ensures precise application, reducing waste. It's a top choice among spreaders for lawns, offering seamless operation for seed spreaders for lawns. Durable construction. Built with a rust-proof poly hopper and fully enclosed gearbox, the EarthWay spreader promises longevity. It's a reliable lawn spreader for those demanding durability in their broadcast spreader.
Number 3. VEVOR Broadcast Spreader, 9.8-foot spreading width. Push broadcast spreader with 10-inch all-terrain tires, adjustable flow control, 15 pounds capacity hopper, lawn spreaders for fertilizer, seed, small home use. Accurate spreading, beautiful lawn. This lawn spreader features 9.8-foot broadcast width and 30-level spreading settings for precise coverage of grass seed and fertilizer. The 15 pounds capacity hopper make it ideal for family use. Easy to push, effortless, and efficient spreading, making gardening more enjoyable. Durable outdoor-ready build. This durable broadcast spreader is constructed with a powder-coated steel frame and UV-resistant, impact-resistant hopper. The 10-inch pneumatic tires handle grass, gravel, and snow with ease, making it suitable for all outdoor conditions. Easy to assemble. Our garden spreader with key components come pre-assembled. No drilling or special tools required. Even seniors or beginners can put it together with minimal effort.
Number 1. Amazon Basics Fertilizer Spreader for Lawn. Evenly spreading, multi-gear system. Covers 5,000 square feet per load, 33 pounds, 0.53 cubic feet. All season, 1 pack. Available at a lower price from other sellers that may not offer free prime shipping. Lawn fertilizer spreader for evenly distributing grass seed, fertilizer, salt, and ice melt in outdoor areas. Broadcast spreader can cover up to 5,000 square feet in one load. Multi-purpose garden spreader design with multi-gear operation and precision control. Durable steel frame and plastic lawn spreader bin stands up to all season weather use. Easy assembly with release cable pre-installed. Weight capacity, 33 pounds. Capacity, 0.53 cubic feet.
Number 2. Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard DLX Broadcast Spreader. Brand, Scott's. Color, green. Material, grass. Item weight, 10.9 pounds. Features Scott's exclusive EdgeGuard technology. Control panel's precision rate settings deliver more accurate coverage. Designed to ensure superior results when used with Scott's lawn food. Holds up to 15,000 square feet of Scott's lawn product, including grass seed, fertilizer, salt, and ice melt. Calibrated and ready to use.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.